Sir, we want to demand discussion on SIR. Please listen to that, sir. Please listen to our demand.
Kaushagan, you address to me.
On electoral reform,
You address to
sir.
me.
We need a discussion on that immediately. Sir, please take discussion on SIR. Everybody wants that, sir. Sir, everybody is protesting for discussion on electoral reform.
Now,
Keep that urgently.
Kaushagan, you want to speak on the subject, you speak.
Sir.
Otherwise, I am going to call the next
Sir,
person. No, I am not going to listen to you. I am not going to listen to you other than the subject.
Sir, kindly listen.
No. Dr. V. Shivadasan.
Respected Chair, my topic is the attack of wild animal, but I believe the union government is trying to attack the voters and the people of the nation.
No, Sri.
Sir, this is the topic,
No,
sir.
Sri. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. Sri, I am going to call the next person. If you don't want to talk on the subject, I am going to call the other person. No, whether you have to stick to your subject or otherwise, I am not going to allow you to speak. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. You want to talk, you talk about the subject. Otherwise, I am going to call the next speaker.
So I am asking to you, sir.
No.
Take the initiative for the discussion on SIR.
No, not at all.
The wild animal attack is my topic. The government is trying to attack the people of
You
the
want to
nation
speak,
in
you
the
speak
name
about
of
the
SIR,
subject.
sir.
I am giving
My
you the last
topic is
chance.
wild animal. The wild
I am
animal
giving you
attack
the
is
last
very
chance.
serious.
If you want to speak on this, otherwise I am going
What I am
to
telling, wild
Shri
animal
Birendra
attack is
Prasad.
serious.
Bais. Shri Birendra Prasad Bais.
Sir, thank you very much. I am raised here today on behalf of people of Assam, on behalf of my party, Assam Gana Parishad, and my party president, Atul Bora, supporting demand by the sixth community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush, Tea community, they are demanding to grant it scheduled caste Assam. This community is indigenous tribe of Assam and they are the soil of the soil. Their demand is justified, so I am supporting their demand. I like to request to grant it for these six communities of Assam. Sir, in the year 1968, sorry ma'am, excuse me. In the year 1968, when India was ruled by the British government, the British government described them in Gazette Note by name, Gazette Note as a tribal community. Rights Tribal Commission also recommended and granted them tribal status, sir. For this community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush, and Chief community, their journalists very justified genuine demand. They fulfill all the criteria to get the ST status, but it is dependent upon the willingness of government. Everything is dependent upon the government. So I humbly request to the government to grant the status of the six communities of Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Sutia, and Tea community immediately should get the tribal status, and I hope and I believe government will grant it, government will bring the bill in the present session, and this visit will
Please conclude.
this bill will pass and this will get the sir. Thank you.
Now, honorable members, on behalf of this House, I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Mr. Salwa Papusilvi.